Now in this video, let's talk about vertical and horizontal lines. When we look at vertical and horizontal lines, right? What's a vertical line? It's a line that looks like this. A horizontal line is a line that looks like this. So what is the equation for each one of those? So a horizontal line. So if I have my Cartesian plane right here, and this is x and this is y. If I were to graph a horizontal line, let me do it in a different color, right? That's a horizontal line. What equation can I use for this? So when I look at this, I'm going to say, okay, this point right here, let's just make up this point. This right here, let's say it's -4. So this point right here is -4. And let's say this point right here is 3. So this is -4, 3. Now this point right here is going to be 0, 3. And let's say this point over here is also +4. So this point right here is going to be 4, 3. Well, we notice what's the same? The same is that the y never changes. Since the y never changes, we can simply say that the equation for this line is y equals to 3. So the horizontal line is going to be y equals some number. In this case, y equals 2, 3. So this example goes together. Okay. Now let's look at a vertical line. So we have x, we have y. So now a vertical line. So if I were to plot points right here, right, so this point right here, let's say it's 3, y is 0. Let's point this point over here, let's say this is 4. This point over here is also 3, but the y changes. Now if let's say I look at another point over here, this is -5. The x is still 3 and the y is -5. So that tells me that the x, that the x doesn't change at all. That what changes is the y. So I can graph a vertical line as x equals to 3 in this case, because the x is always going to be 3. Now, the next thing that I want to do is, what is the slope of a horizontal line and what is the slope of a vertical line? Let's recall that slope equals my2 minus, so the change in y over the change in x. So let's do it for the horizontal line first. So this is for the horizontal line. For the horizontal line, we'll say that so let's pick 2 points right here, right? So any points, so let's pick the points 4, 3 and 0, 3. So I have 3 minus 3 and 4 minus 0. So 3 minus 3 is 0. It's irrelevant what I get in the denominator because 4 minus 0 is 4, but 0 divided by 4 is always 0. So the slope of a horizontal line is always 0. And think about it, right? That the slope we say is the rise over the run. So if the rise right here, there's no rise, it's horizontal, right? So the rise is always going to be 0. The x is going to be changing, so this is going to be 0. But now let's look at this for a vertical line. Let's choose the points 3, 4 and 3, 0. Slope, so let's say this is my x2, my y2, my x1, y1. So I have 4 minus 0. Good. But then I have 3 minus 3. 4 minus 0 is 4, but 3 minus 3 is 0. And anything divided by 0 is undefined. So the slope of a vertical line is undefined. That is it for this quick, well, I thought it was a quick video.